Mabuhay everyone! Our chosen restaurant is Kamayan at Palaisdaan. It is well-known restaurant in Bay Laguna, known for serving authentic Filipino dishes such as sinugno or grilled tilapia in coconut milk, sisig, and spare ribs. It is also features a unique dining setup where guests can enjoy their meals in floating kubos, bamboo huts building over fish ponds and surrounded by nature. So we have two findings, strengths and weaknesses. So first is strengths, warm personal hospitality, which guests are greeted with smiles and attentive service. Second is fast service and food of good quality. Meals are served quickly and consistently well. Third is comfortable, welcoming ambience. The space feels homey and relaxed. And last is staff responsiveness. Employees react quickly to customer needs.
Mabuhay, I am Katrina Landicho. So as we proceed to the topic, on the other hand, during our visit to Kamayan at Palaisdaan, we observed two key points that we considered as the weakness of the restaurant. First is the lack of availability for certain menu items. While the menu offers a wide selection of unique and authentic Filipino dishes, not all items are consistently available. For instance, we wanted to order bilipit, a local delicacy that some diners recommend trying at Kamayan because of its uniqueness. Unfortunately, it was not available at the time of our visit. These instances can leave guests feeling disappointed, especially if they come with the expectation of sampling a dish that highlights a local food culture. So second, we noted the issue of operational bottlenecks during peak hours. Actually, during our own visit, we experienced fast and responsive service, which we greatly appreciated. However, some of us have shared based on their personal experiences that during their busier times, service tends to slow down. Waiting time for orders become longer and certain requests are not attended to as quick as what we had. This indicates that while staff are capable of accommodating the current system, may need adjustments to maintain efficiency during high demand periods. So in summary, by addressing these areas, ensuring the consistent availability of key food items and streamlining operations during peak hours, Kamayan at Palaisdaan can further elevate its customer experience and live up to its reputation as a destination for authentic Filipino dining.
Again, Camayan Palaisdaan is located in Bay Laguna and their original brand is in Tayabas City, Quezon. It has a Filipino theme, meaning all their food focuses on Filipino traditional cuisine, while their concept is floating bahay kubos. We chose this restaurant because excuse me, because we want to promote Filipino cuisine and there is usually more to Filipino cuisine than just food. That Filipino food also serves comfort and simplicity in our dishes. Next. People commonly mistaken Kamayan to Palaisdaan to Isdaan, where the restaurant focuses more on huge Thai-inspired statues, while Kamayan focuses more on their floating kubos. Since the restaurant serves food on the heavier side, their peak hours comes from 12 to 2 p.m., where guests usually comes from their lunch breaks. Lastly, since it is common that people have their weekends vacant, the restaurant is usually full on Saturdays and Sundays, usually just to relax and hang out with their friends or families.
Mabuhay, to continue, I am Kyle Dereza. Appeal to diverse guests, this restaurant attracts a wide variety of customers from local to celebrities. Its success is due to its affordable prices and unique dining atmosphere. This combination makes it a welcoming and popular choice for everyone. Next, please. For their strategic location, it conveniently located on a national highway, make it making it an ideal stop for travelers. Its Its placement attracts people heading to the other provinces within the Calabarzon region. This strategic location ensures a steady flow for customers who are passing through Laguna. Next, Kamayan sa Palaisdaan is consistently busy, especially during lunch on weekends. Its success is driven by its one-of-a-kind ambience, native cuisine, and strategic location. The establishment's ability to cater to a diverse client, including both local and tourists, further contributes to its high volume of visitors.
Mabuhay, I am Ina Margaret Marza, and after thoroughly reviewing our experience at Kamayan sa Palaisdaan Restaurant, including the food, service, ambience, and overall customer experience, our group has identified several areas where the restaurant can further enhance its offerings. So next slide po. For our recommendation, first is designate priority support for elderly and families with kids. So to enhance inclusivity and comfort, Kamayan sa Palaisdaan Restaurant should offer priority support for elderly guests and families with young children. This includes providing closer seating for seniors or those with mobility issues, and small amenities like cushions for added comfort. And for families with kids, kid-friendly utensils such as plastic spoons and forks, colorful plates, or spill-proof cups can improve the dining experience. So a good example is Raminagi's kiddie meal, which includes child-sized portions and utensils designed for safety and ease of use ng mga children. So these small efforts can lead to higher customer satisfaction and encourage return visits. Next is provide feedback cards or digital surveys. During our visit, we observed that Kamayan Restaurant currently does not offer any visible method for collecting customer feedback, such as surveys, comment cards, or digital forms. And this is a missed opportunity as direct feedback from diners is essential for understanding what works well and what needs improvement. So we recommend introducing either physical feedback cards or place on tables or digital surveys accessible via QR codes on receipts or menus. So these tools would allow guests to conveniently share their thoughts, rate their experience, and suggest changes. And by gathering and reviewing this feedback regularly, the management can make more informed decisions to enhance service quality, improve food offerings, and as well as increase overall customer satisfaction. So next slide po. Next is we recommend offer birthday or celebration add-ons or discounts. So we noticed during our visit to Kamayin sa Palaisdaan Restaurant, none of the staff asked if we were celebrating a special occasion, which something that's commonly done in many restaurants to help personalize the dining experience. And this led us to believe that they currently do not offer any birthday or celebration add-ons. We do not sure if they offer this service on their other branches. So to enhance guest experience and make celebrations more memorable, we recommend offering small complimentary items like free dessert or a special birthday greeting from the staff. So some restaurants, no, the staffs were singing and dancing, and these simple gestures can leave a lasting impression, encourage repeat visits, and create a positive word of mouth, especially for guests celebrating milestones with friends or family.
So hello mabuhay, I am Kyrene Lilo, and for the additional recommendations, we think that they should offer more activity within the vicinity. They could offer fishing activity or offer a specific area where guests could get their own fish that would be served to them. They could also add water activities such as kayaking, paddleboarding, or swimming. Next slide po. For additional recommendation, We also think that they could offer meditation or yoga because as their vicinity is a relaxing scenery, they could add meditation sessions in any day of the week. It will not be only good for influencing healthy practices, but could potentially attract more guests. And lastly, they could offer live acoustic and band nights. They could invite up and coming bands in the area or even students who aspires to perform whether singing, spoken poetry, or even dancing. This could also add to the overall relaxing vibes of the area and could help starting groups, bands, or new artists to showcase their talents. And that is all for our report. Thank you very much for listening. Bye-bye.